Hello, John Talley here with Partzilla.com. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of changing the front differential as well as the rear final drive oil in our 2007 Yamaha Grizzly YFM 700. Pretty easy to do. Let's head over to the bench, talk about the tools and the oil that we're going to need to pull this off. This is going to be a very simple skill level 1, also with a short tool list. All you're going to need is a torque wrench, 3/8 ratchet, an extension, probably going to need a swivel, a 21mm socket, a 5 and a 6mm Allen. Now, if you would, reference our exploded parts diagrams. That's going to give you an exact picture of where everything is located on your machine. Now, if you're having a little bit of trouble getting all the parts together that you need, we already have a list compiled down in the description below. Hit that link, bam, there's your whole list. So, once you have your tools and your parts together, we can go over there and knock it out. So let's go. Alright guys, what we're after is the fill nut. It's a 21mm up toward the top. A little bit awkward to get to. I'm going to use an extension with a swivel so I can reach in there and hopefully grab it. And once we get it pulled, then we're going to go below with a 5mm Allen and drain it. So the question is, how often do you need to do this? Well, it's actually on the same intervals as your engine oil change. So that's every 3,200 miles or 1 year. So you want to make sure you do both the front and the back and the engine oil change all at the same time. Keep it in an even rotation. All right, that's our fill. It's still got a washer on it, so we're good to go there. Now, I want to reach up under the bottom. There's a little cutout, a little bit off center, where that drain plug is going to be. There we go. Now granted, my oil looks really good coming out of this machine. Obviously, it had been changed recently, but yours may not have, so you want to pay attention to it. If it's anything other than just a dark color, if it has like a milky white kind of look to it, that means that you probably had water intrusion and you would need to look at your seals on your differential. All right, I think she's through draining for the most part. Let's go ahead and pop this back in there. There, we're going to grab some fluid and fill it back up. All right, I've just got it snugged. We're going to grab our torque wrench and then put the torque on it to 7 foot-pounds. Here we go. Now, let's get our fluid and get it filled back up. The best way to do this is to use a pump. I prefer to use a hand pump, and what I'm actually using is one made by Mercruiser that really fits well with this particular bottle that I'm using. If you're in need of one, you can slide over to our sister site called boats.net and pick one up. And the oil that we're putting in it is at least an 80 weight, a GL4 hypoid specification. The one I'm actually using is a gear oil made by Kawasaki. Just get it pushed in a little bit and we'll start filling her up. It doesn't hold a whole lot, maybe a quarter of what's in this quart, and we want to fill it up till it starts to run out. There it goes. Go ahead and get it out and get our fill plug back in there. Now we want to torque this one to 17 foot-pounds. That'll do. Now we just need to head to the back and do the same procedure. Okay, so we're at the back of the machine. You have a 21mm for the fill plug up top, but it's actually a 6mm Allen down below. It still has the crush washer, so we're good. Now let's get the drain plug out. There she goes. Once again, the fluid looks pretty good, but now's the time you really want to pay attention to make sure yours doesn't look milky, because like I said up front, if it has that milky look to it, that means water's getting into the system. You need to flush that out and then find out how it got in there, probably one of the seals. If you let it run too long, you're going to square up your gears and destroy your differential and or your final drive in the back, and you don't want to do that. All right, looks like it's through. Let's go ahead and get our drain plug back in place. Now we're going to set its torque to 7. Now let's just fill it up. Now what you do not do on this particular unit is fill it all the way up to the fill plug. There's actually a check bolt right here that you need to take out, and we just fill it until it starts running out of there, and then it is full. This is a simple procedure to do, but one that most people overlook. Don't be one of those people, because when things go wrong with that front diff or this final drive, it's usually really expensive. So just remember, whenever you're changing the engine oil, go ahead and take care of your gear cases as well. And on that note, if you need help changing your engine oil, why don't you go to the link in the description. It'll take you to the video and it'll guide you through the process. Right, it's starting to run out. So all we need to do is put in that check bolt. Let's go ahead and take this one to 7 foot-pounds. Go ahead and get our fill plug back in. And we're going to take this to 17 foot-pounds. All right, guys, that wraps this one up. Really simple to do. Well, listen, if you need any parts for your machine, why don't you come see us at Partzilla.com and we can get you taken care of. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the section below and I'll do my best to answer them. We just want to say thank you for shopping here with us at Partzilla. And if you like what you see, and you want to know what I'm going to be doing next, why don't you hit that subscribe button. Till next time, we just want to say thank you, and we will see you in the next video. Have a great day.